Dangle Attachment. Hello friends, Big brings you add-on dangles. Requirement as usual: fine thread, ear stud, long beads, scissor and a shuttle. A simple yet beautiful way to give your ear studs a new look. Here you can see the beads are already added on yarn. To start with, we will make a small ring with 3 double stitch, 1 picot, 3 double stitch. Pull yarn to complete the ring. Now we'll make chain. Wrap yarn with beads on your left hand finger as shown in video. Move beads backwards. Now we'll start chain. One double stitch. Move the bead towards thumb and add bead to your work using second half of double stitch. Again one double stitch. Add second bead. Continue doing this process till all beads are added to your work. Here we are adding 16 beads. You can change number according to the dangle length you require. Try to match the yarn color with the beads to maintain harmony. So half of the beads we had added. You can see you don't have to twist or turn your beaded work. It will automatically turn spirally. This simple pattern, one double stitch, add a bead. It's a very simple pattern. In this way we have added all 16 beads to our work. Now we'll make a ring with 6 double stitch at the end. Pull chain to complete the ring. Tie a knot. And cut extra thread. Add dangle to your stud and it's ready to wear. Try to make dangles with different colors, beads and yarn. Wear it or gift it to your loved ones. Abbreviations for your reference. Thank you for watching. Keep tatting. Subscribe for more.